not painful, but if you feel discomfort, you can tell me right away. Okay? Can you tell me your name, sir? Let's proceed.
I am Sergio Alexei,
Your age, sir?
20.
And okay, sir. For your privacy, sir, let's pull down the curtain. Okay, sir. Did you feel any discomfort lately, sir?
No,
Do you have fever, cough,
no,
allergic, sir?
no,
Or ano? Any medication you take, sir? Do you have ano? Umiinom kayo, sir?
hindi.
Okay, sir. Let's start, sir. Sir. Dalawa. Then. Okay, sit. Check your temperature. Now I will tender your back and tell me if you can feel any pain, sir. Ha? Okay, sir, you're good. Okay, sir, can you inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, sir, thank you. Can you say 99?
99,
Another one, sir?
99,
Another?
99, 99, 99,
Another, sir?
99.
Okay, sir. Now, sir, I want you to cross your hand and bend your head. Now, I will percuss your back, sir, for any dullness or anything. Okay. Can you inhale, sir? Can you exhale? Your back for any breath sounds. If you have any adventitious or sir, can you inhale for me, sir? Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Another one, sir. Another one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, sir. Right now,
Takad ka.
can you say E for me?
E,
Another one.
E, 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 E.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Is there any pain, sir? Okay, sir. Can you inhale for me, sir? Again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, sir. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, sir, upon examining your chest, when I inspect, you have a normal tracheal midline position. And when I palpate your chest, you have tactile phrenimeters are normal. As I percuss your chest, you have relatively intensity loud, relatively pitch are low, the duration is long. So, it is resonant, sir. It is normal. And lastly, when I auscultate your breath sounds are, I didn't hear any wheezes or crackles. So, it is everything normal, sir. So, you are free to go now, sir.